owl snail. Its scientific name is Alope's clavulinum. Its size is about 7 to 11 mm long, body is bright yellow and shell is colorless and translucent. Summers are suitable for them but cannot tolerate dryness. Thus hide under leaves, in soil chinks or under the pot. Its eggs are white and round. Mature egg starts appearing from its translucent shell. It's important to be noted that though they are an essential part of biodiversity, they are not healthy for your plants as they can spoil your plants. The leaf that you are seeing in the video, as you can see, is decomposed by these owl snails. So the question is, are snails also considered decomposers? Well, they do decompose organic matter like dead leaves and rotting animals by breaking them down into smaller parts, but not to a greater extent. I made an amazing observation when I was seeing an owl snail walking, that it was leaving a shiny bright colored liquid behind it. This is called snail slime, though it helps them to move but is not essential for their movement. One of the important functions of slime is that it helps them stick to the surface. It also protects their skin from environmental hazards. Snails seal themselves in shell using this slime. It helps them to stay moist in dry weather. This is a request to all the viewers, please don't kill them if you see them in your plant pots. You may transfer them to your compost pit. Already the soil biodiversity is declining. We'll meet for the next video. Until then, please save soil. Thank you.